kawadhi nyime. Riwruok ma joma mine Maendeleo Wanawake opuoyo jatend piny Kenya William Ruto kuom medo lemo Fatuma Gaiti kaka kamanda ma jolweny mokwongo mamiyo. Giwacho ni okang' no nyiso ni piny Kenya osego okang' e neno ni mine oyudo lemo mamalo e telo ma pacho ka. Jakom mar riwruogno Ramogi kata kamano okwayo joma mine moyudo lemogo mondo ti kodgi makare e bero ngima jopiny.
We thank the President most sincerely for finding his fit to give us Mama Fatuma Gaiti Ahmed as the first woman commander in the Kenya Air Force. Thank you, sir, and to our sister, General, Major General, congratulations, and may you walk that journey with grace. And we thank the current president because he's given us, I think, 6 cabinet and advisors. They're about 10. And we have like 15 PSS. So the number has been increasing progressively. And therefore, when then we get to that level of a commander in one of our forces, we have the Army, we have the Navy, and we have the Air Force. Surely, it is such a milestone for the women of Kenya. It is a big thing, and we are grateful to Mama Gaiti, Major General, and it is nice to just see a woman just